Hi, my name is Kumari Sky, and I am here to give you a yin yoga pose tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be going over happy baby pose, yin style. So happy baby is a really nice deep hip opener, and it releases and decompresses the SI joints, and it's a mild compression to the stomach organs. So if you have uncontrolled high blood pressure, you might consider skipping this one because it's a mild inversion. So basically, without any props or assistance, this is the happy baby pose. I'm easily grabbing the sides of my feet. My neck and head are comfortable. My back is flat. My hips might be raising up a little bit, and that is actually a nice way to release the SI joints. But it also can be practiced holding the legs, the back of the thighs, or even just holding the legs like this. You can also do a one leg version. So one leg either lengthened out or bent, and then holding. This is also a place where you could use a strap, but just remind yourself or your student that you're not pulling down on the strap, you're just holding it here. You could have the leg straight. So a counter pose for this one is just like a little back bend, something just like a little baby bridge pose can be nice, or even lifting the hips up. Also, reclined windshield wipers are nice for this pose. Afterwards, and the meridians that are infected are the urinary bladder and the kidney because of the spine, and then the liver is the inner groin area. And you're wanting to feel an edge in the hips, the lumbar spine, and maybe even the shoulders. So the pose is pretty active. It's a little yang-like, so a 1 or 2 minute hold usually is the best amount of time because it can get kind of tiring holding your leg and foot with your arm or even with a strap. If you are using the strap, you might be able to stay a little longer if you're doing it one leg at a time. You could do both legs at a time with 2 straps. So in that case, you could stay several more minutes. So that is the happy baby pose in yin yoga.